Hey guys, Chris with Life After 50. This video is about resistance bands, getting a workout on the go, at the office, at the hotel, even at home. You don't always have to lift heavy weights. They're tough on your joints sometimes, so this is something good to do in between. So I hope this video gives you some good information. Don't forget to like and subscribe. HealthyLifeAfter50.com.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about strength training exercises that you can do using resistance bands and light weights. These exercises are perfect for those who don't have access to a gym or don't have heavy weights at home. Exercise 1. Resistance band chest press. Start by attaching a resistance band to a stable object, such as a pole or door frame. Hold the other end of the band in each hand and step away from the attachment point to create tension. Perform a chest press, keeping your elbows in line with your shoulders and your wrists straight. This is a great exercise for building chest strength and is perfect for those who can't do push-ups. Exercise 2. Resistance band rows. For this exercise, loop the resistance band around a sturdy object, such as a door handle. Grab the ends of the band in each hand and step back to create tension. From there, perform a rowing motion, bringing your elbows back and squeezing your shoulder blades together. This exercise is great for strengthening the back muscles. Exercise 3. Resistance band lateral raises. Stand on the middle of a resistance band with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the ends of the band in each hand and lift your arms out to the sides, keeping your elbows slightly bent. This exercise is great for building shoulder strength. Exercise 4. Banded shoulder press. Stand on the resistance band with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the ends of the band with your hands and raise your hands to shoulder height, with your palms facing forward. Press the band overhead, extending your arms fully. Lower the band back down with control, maintaining tension throughout.